Crow is a clean, creative, unique template for agency and personal portfolio PSD template. There are included 10 stunning home pages and total 15 PSD files. This design is very creative and unique, and also very easy to customize and use. If you like this template, please rate it. List of pages. 01_home_01.psd 02_home_02.psd 03_home_03.psd 04_home_04.psd 5_about_us.psd 6_services.psd 7_blog_blog_gridview.psd 8_blog_with sidebar.psd 9_standard_blog.psd 10_single_blog.psd 11_our_portfolio 01.psd 12_our_portfolio 02.psd 13_portfolio_details.psd 14_our_team.psd 15_contact_us.psd. Features. Designed with Bootstrap Grid, easy to find and customize a Google Map Themify icon handcrafted clean design 4 home versions 15 clean page pixel perfect real site experience a documentation free support free updates. Font used. Poppins Work Plus Sans Permanent Plus Marker. Icon used Themify. Icon used Flaticon. Image used Unsplash Pixabay. Note, all images are just used for preview purpose only and are not included in the PSD files. In the purchased package, we will include PSD folder, O3 PSD files, and documentation folder. The list below will list out all PSD files in the package. PSD files. 01_home_page 02_gift_pop-up 03_send_wishes_pop-up. Icons. Fonta Flaticon. Fonts. Great Vibes Does This Open Sans. Note, all these images will not be included in purchased package just for demo purpose. If you like this template, please rate it 5-star. Thank you. Aurorus Electronics E-commerce Bootstrap 4 template is a splendid e-commerce website template. It has a clean and elegant design for the online store selling accessories, electronic products, gadgets, smartphone and tablet, sports, home appliances and many others. Assuredly, this cross-browser optimized template is fully responsive and it has been tested with multiple devices. The home pages are designed eye-catching with large slideshow above and below mega menu. Slideshow is great with smooth transitions of texts and nice images. Finally, try Aurorus Electronics E-commerce Bootstrap 4 template now and get free updates. Main features. 4 homepage beautiful and unique design HTML5 and CSS3W3 validate markup smooth animations fully responsive cross-browser compatibility tested with multiple device Bootstrap 4 SEO friendly coded testimonial stylus op style blog stylakery latest version. Features list. 5+ page design blogs list, grid section single blog section working Ajax plus PHP contact form easy to customize based on Bootstrap 4, XHTML5 and CSS3W3C valid HTML code Google Fonts included font awesome icons clean and creative full responsive fully customizable well documented modern browser supported many more. Credits and sources. Images. Pexels raw pixel graphic burger. jQuery. jQuery JavaScript library jQuery using Bootstrap appear_jQuery.count_tool.carousel.min circle progress. Note, images are only for demo purpose and not included with the download package. Features list. 5 plus page design blogs list, grid section single blog section working Ajax plus PHP contact form easy to customize based on Bootstrap 4, XHTML5 and CSS3 W3C valid HTML code Google Fonts included font awesome icons clean and creative full responsive fully customizable well documented modern browser supported many more. Credits and sources. Images. Pexels Raw Pixel Graphic Burger. jQuery. jQuery JavaScript library jQuery using Bootstrap appeared.count2all.carousel.mincircle progress. Note, images are only for demo purpose and not included with the download package. Colorway is a bright and modern HTML template that was created for printing services companies, type design services, typography services, photocopying services and any other business related to printing services. What do you need in order to promote your printing company? Probably a lot of things, but the most important thing is paying attention to advertising. And that being said, the best way to start advertising your services to a wide audience of people is launching a website. What should this website be like? Bright, memorable, eye-catching and breathtaking. And this is exactly what we're offering you right now. This printing services HTML template has all the necessary pages where you can place your company's main info and publish your mind-blowing work examples so that your clients can see that you should be their ultimate choice. The template has pages like About Us, Our Team, Copy Center, Commercial Printing, Services, Gallery, Coming Soon, Designs, Blog, Shop, Contacts, etc. The template features tons of widgets and shortcodes. Its code is very well formatted and commented so it won't be hard to customize it. We backed up the template with a great documentation and a 5-star support team that is always at your service. Template features 100 plus predefined HTML page various headers, footers, etc. Side, left and right menu mega menu Bootstrap 3 based PSD files included fully responsive animate everything you want Parallax section tons of shortcodes extremely customizable free fonts and icons working PHP scripts and widgets included Instagram widget Flickr widget MailChimp subscribe form Twitter widget contact form search clean and valid code and much more. What you get: HTML, CSS, JS and PHP files working PHP scripts full layered PSD files free icon fonts good documentation. Credits and sources. Eshcool, Education and LMS WordPress Theme. Eshcool is a clean and modern education and LMS WordPress theme. It's suitable for any university, workshop, college, school, kindergarten, course hub, training center or any kind of educational institution. This theme includes 5 awesome homepage demos with different LMS courses page layouts and other inner pages layout which are easy to edit and customize to fit your needs. Also, education theme is a perfect solution for your educational websites. This education theme includes drag-drop page builder Visual Composer Premium plugin, Revolution Slider, for education course learning management system, LMS, LearnPress, Contact Form 7, for newsletter, MailChimp for WP. For this theme we used Bootstrap 4. It's 100% responsive, that's why it will work nicely on all smart devices, smartphones, tablet, PCs, and desktops. It's also well documented and clean coded, that's why anyone can change it easily. One-click demo install. Drag and drop page builder, Elementor page builder. SEO friendly. Compatible with Contact Form 7. Child theme compatible. Advanced typography options 3 awesome home pages. Point 3 unique header style. Clean and modern design valid HTML5 and CSS3. Latest Bootstrap. Build with SASfully responsive. Unlimited colors, just change color code. Sticky menu when scrolling down. Responsive filterable portfolio. Awesome unique look. Unique effects and functionality. Smooth transition effects. Cross-browser optimization. Google font. All files are well commented. Dedicated support, free updates, and much more. Asked update the 20th of August 18, created the 20th of August 18, high resolution EOS widget ready, yes, compatible browser C11, Firefox, Safari, Opera, Chrome, Edge theme. Forest files include DJS files, columns 4+ documentation, unrated layout, responsive tags, business, corporate.